How to cancel iCloud subscription on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're on the Settings page, go to the top and tap on the section with your name on it. This will take you to your Apple account page. Now, tap on Subscriptions as shown. This section is where all your current and past app subscriptions are managed. You will then be directed to the Subscriptions page. Any active subscriptions you have with various applications will be listed here. You can cancel your subscriptions here. Following these steps, you can easily cancel your iCloud subscription on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.